without protein being folded, it can't become functional. Without that long polypeptide chain, which has all those beads on there, yeah, which are your amino acid, without those being folded, they cannot become functional. And when they can't become functional, yeah, they can't perform a specific function, yeah, within the body. Okay, so hydrogen bonds that create that folding process are super critical, important, right? Yeah, for proteins function. Yeah, and those hydrogen bonds are essentially coming from water, which has one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. Yeah, which create the polar opposites. Yeah, as I spoke about. Yeah, where one end is more negative, and which is the oxygen, and the hydrogen end is more positive. Yeah, that positive then goes on to that end, attracts a negative, yeah, of another molecule. Yeah, and that's called a hydrogen bond. That bond, hydrogen bond, is significantly important for proteins because what it will do, it will fold a protein, and it's not until a protein is folded that it becomes functional. So if your proteins aren't being folded, the function is not being initiated, and that means, yeah, we're not getting our digestive enzymes, we're not getting our transport proteins, yeah, to transport things, yeah, like LDL and HDL. Those are transport proteins. Okay, digestive enzymes, we need those to break food down in the body so we can absorb and basically get the energy that we need, that our cells need. Yeah, so that's really critically important. So you hydrating yourself with good, you know, sources of water, ideally spring water, yeah, for that process to happen, that basically will help that process of protein folding and becoming functional. Yeah, and because every process in your body requires, yeah, protein. Without it, basically nothing's working within your body. So this is why water is very critically important, okay, in this aspect when it comes from a protein point of view.